you can only be happy when you are doing a good job, and what you do can also sell you out. So for me, this is the end of it. The reason why I'm saying that is because of the result that we have received from this project. So I just want you to see how it looks like at night. So this is just uh, a view of how this house looks at night, and it just looks amazing. And this is the final part of it, the final part of our work. So this is the bathroom, you see. This is the final part of our job that we have done. So I'm just trying to walk across all the rooms that we have done. So this is the master bedroom. You can see that that's the master bedroom. It has a lot of light, that's why it doesn't come out very clear, but you can see from a distance how it looks like. Yeah, so it has been a journey, but now we have come to the end of it, and we just really thank the Lord for everything that we have done and the amazing work that has been done. There's a lot of frames coming across because of light, and it's at night, so you can't see it clearly. So that's what we have up to now. So let me show you the other part of it. So this is not the final video. The final video is coming tomorrow. We are just doing a better video at daytime because it's at night. Remember, we have not done, we only have the snake lights, which is lighting all this house, because we have not done the drop lights, those drop lights which are supposed to be done in every area. Like here, we need to do some drop lights like this, those lights like these ones. So we need it on all the room, and also the center light, we have not worked on it. Even in the kitchen, we don't have the center light, and even the drop lights, which will be done later, not this week, but later in the year, maybe after 1 month or 2 months. So just to show you what we have done, I think it can be seen clearly, but this is not the final video. I'm just showing this so that you can see what it looks like at night, because it still doesn't have those brighter lights. So that's, it looks like that. It still looks like so it should be brighter than this, but I know that will be done in a few days to go. So also let me show you from the outside how it looks like from the outside. It's also good if you can see it from the outside at night. So this is how it looks from outside at night. So this is the front door. So we have the light from the front door, the security light from the front door. Then as well, we have another, we have also, this is the back of the house. You can see the light, how it looks like. And also we can just zoom it from a distance and see the light's not that bad. Yeah, so let me also show you from the other angle. So remember, this is not the final video. This is just to show you how it looks like at night, because the handing over will be done tomorrow. See, so that this we should also have, we have given a provision for the light to from the other side. So this one, the light is looking from the other side, and also we need another light from this side. So it will be done very soon. The budget has gone beyond, so we have to give clients some breathing space until they get enough money so that we can do that. So up to there, thank you very much, guys. The video of this amazing house will be released pretty soon. So we are shooting the better video tomorrow at daytime, so that you can have a clear view of everything that is happening. So until then, I think thank you very much, and consider subscribing and also share the video. Otherwise, thank you. See you in the next one.